I got a bunch of video of your kids jumping off the rope.
Oh, awesome, man.
Yeah.
This is so...
They're like fish out there. They're so good.
They love it. Yeah, we go swimming a lot, like in rivers and lakes and stuff. I take them out, you know, and jump right in. They're not scared, man.
That's awesome.
Your kids either, right? They got right up there, too.
Yeah, Eli's not holding back.
Yeah.
Where is, speaking of, there he is.